Good afternoon and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle. I'm here today to show you one of our latest listings, this beautiful 2015 G36 November 867 Charlie Bravo. This is a beautiful airplane. Step in, let's have a closer look. November 867 Charlie Bravo is a beautiful 2015 G36. Beechcraft made a change in 2013. They went with the newer style electric air conditioning system and the newer style interior. We'll look at that as we step inside. This airplane only has 425 hours total time since new. So low time, the engine has 425 hours on it as well. You can see this 3-bladed hot prop by Hartzell. This also 425 hours since new. The Bonanza is the airplane that we all want to buy once we get our pilot's license. November 867 Charlie Bravo, beautiful airplane. We've got 80 gallons total fuel. 74 of that is usable. Now you'll see around 172 to 174 knots in this airplane, and that's good for about 800 nautical miles downrange. The paint on November 867 Charlie Bravo is in gorgeous condition. This is Matterhorn white with black, red, and platinum metallic striping, and the red Beechcraft B on the tail. This is gorgeous. One of the many reasons that people buy the A36 over, say, an F33 is the big double cargo doors that you see here. Easy to get in and out. We've got our club seating configuration here today. The middle seats here can be turned around, so there's a lot of different configurations you can do here. Another thing you can do, if you want to keep these seats but you want to take them with you and you need the extra room, you just pull the lever, fold this up. There's a latch that holds this into place and gives you a little bit more cargo room. As we step inside the interior on 867 Charlie Bravo, you can see we have beautiful tan leather seating in here. I've got my executive writing table out. Headliner in really good condition. We have 6-place lighting, 6-place WAAS. We have a 6-place intercom system, which, by the way, also has the Bose connectors all the way around. I've got my cup holders here, and I'm 6'2", 200 pounds. Have plenty of room back here. This really is a great way to travel. The instrument panel on November 867 Charlie Bravo is the Garmin G1000. This is a WAAS unit as well as synthetic vision. So you have your high resolution PFD and MFD. We also have the Garmin 345R transponder with your ADS-B in and out and your FIS-B weather. We have Garmin GDL69A, which is a subscription-based XM weather along with XM music. Garmin GTS 800 active traffic system, and one of the best autopilots in the business, the Garmin GFC 700 flight control system with altitude pre-select, vertical speed select, yaw damper, and much more. The extra amenities that you'll enjoy on November 86 Charlie Bravo include G1000 Avionics, safe taxi, flight charts, LED taxi and landing lights, outside air temperature gauge, factory air conditioning, Tannis engine oil block heater, a new sealed Concord battery, co-pilot brakes, 3-blade hot prop, WAAS and synthetic vision, Bruce's custom cover, standby alternator, USB panel, charging ports, and much more. If you're in the market for a low-time G36, make plans to visit Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft, and see this 2015 beautiful G36 November 867 Charlie Bravo. We're only talking 425 hours total time since new. That's on the airframe, engine, and prop. We've got a hot prop. We've got Garmin Avionics. We've got LED lighting. So much more on this airplane. Give us a call, Greensboro, North Carolina, Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle, and thanks for watching.